Okay, hello. This is Devastator. Okay, so to transform Devastator, you just take this little green piece out. You just take these two out. You just connect this here. This guy. He's very cool. This is Devastator. Okay? You see this hole here? You just put it right here. Okay, after that, take this up, then you just put this here. Okay, so this one, you have to put these two like this. Yeah. So you put these two like that. Oh, this one is just here. This one we just put here. This one also the same. And then you see, I got something like this. This is to suck anything like the sand, like in Transformers, Revenge of the Fallen, and then that's all. Oh, this piece it can only just broken. That's all. Oh, just broken two pieces again. That's all.